A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. Sometimes love can become too much, and instead of helping, it can quietly cause harm. A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot is the story of a small dog whose illness was not caused by disease, but by too much affection and too much food. The story is told by James Herriot, a veterinary doctor. One day, he meets a small dog named Tricky. Tricky belongs to a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. But something is wrong. Tricky has become very fat. He looks lazy, tired, and unhealthy. He does not want to go for walks. Herriot understands the real reason. Tricky is not ill because of disease. He is ill because of overeating. Mrs. Pumphrey keeps feeding him cream cakes, chocolates, and rich food. She believes she is showing love, but in reality, she is harming him. Herriot advises Mrs. Pumphrey to reduce Tricky's food, give him exercise. But she does not follow his advice. She continues to feed him too much. Soon, Tricky becomes very sick. He stops eating. He only lies on the carpet and does nothing. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey becomes worried. She calls Herriot for help. Herriot decides to take Tricky to his surgery. His surgery means his veterinary clinic, not an operation. Mrs. Pumphrey is very emotional. She believes Tricky will not survive. But Herriot does something very simple. He gives Tricky no special medicine, no rich food. He simply stops feeding him too much. For the first few days, Tricky is given no food at all, only water. Slowly, Tricky's body begins to recover. He starts moving around, playing with other dogs, eating normal food. Soon, he becomes active, energetic, and healthy again. Meanwhile, Mrs. Pumphrey keeps sending eggs, wine, brandy, and special food. She believes these things are needed for Tricky's recovery, but actually, the food is eaten by Herriot and his staff. After 2 weeks, Tricky becomes completely healthy. He runs around happily. Now, Herriot decides to return him to Mrs. Pumphrey. When Mrs. Pumphrey sees Tricky again, she is overjoyed. She hugs him and calls it a triumph of surgery. A triumph means a great success. She believes Herriot performed a great medical miracle. But in truth, the real cure was simple: less food, more activity, and a natural routine. The story shows that too much pampering can harm. Discipline and balance are important. Love should not become excess. The story teaches that care without control can become harmful. True care sometimes means saying no. Tricky did not need expensive treatment. He only needed a simple, healthy life. And sometimes that is the greatest cure of all. Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quite Recall.